This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to unlock the hidden Limbo page in Plants vs. Zombies. This page contains scrapped minigames and other content that didn't make it into the final release. Since it's not part of the regular game, you'll need a special tool. We'll be using a memory editing program called Cheat Engine to access this secret area. To begin, make sure your Plants vs. Zombies game is already running on your computer. Then, launch Cheat Engine. Inside Cheat Engine, you'll need to select the game's process, usually labeled PopCap Game 1, EXE, or similar. Once selected, locate and click on the Memory View option to open the game's memory editor. Now, within the memory view, right-click on any line and select Go to Address. For the Game of the Year version, enter 00431C0 into the address field. Once there, right-click on the highlighted line and choose the option Replace with code that does nothing. Confirm any pop-up messages to apply this crucial change. After applying the memory modification, switch back to your Plants vs. Zombies game. Navigate to the minigame selection screen. You should now see a new button, typically at the bottom, labeled Limbo page. Click this to explore the previously hidden minigames and content. For more great deals and to check out the Echo Dot smart speaker, be sure to look at the link in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.